I've traded a few hours and all in all did around $2,000 of profit. How I did it, we will focus in this video. If you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say, let's go. So here in the broker, I want to open now a market trade. I'm using a 50x leverage. Here I want to risk 50% of my capital. So I'm going here now in a short trade. I've already painted, as you see, my take profit and stop loss here. But what I have to do now here is to put in my numbers for this. So I would say I will do this now and we'll see us back later, guys. So guys, we are now prepared for the trade. I would say let's focus on the trade and take a look here. Holy shit, guys, we smashed our take profit here, and all around we did a profit around $1,200, what is very, very crazy in my eyes. And I think this was a very great move of us. So I would say let's switch back on TradingView and take a look how we did it. So guys, we are now here again in the 5-minute time frame, and you see that we perfectly placed our short trade here, and after this we saw a perfect like down going move here. This is why I tried to enter on this period here my short trade, because as I told you, we crossed the level above the $26,000 here, and in my opinion this level is, or the chart all in all, is not strong enough to hold this level. I think that we will go definitely back on this level here, and this is why I waited that we go above this level here for enter short trade, and as you can see, it worked perfectly. So guys, as you can see, we have now reaction here in the long term, and I think that again the level of 26,000 is here very strong for short trade. And I would say let's go back here on the broker and see you back, guys. So guys, here in the broker you can see I'm now in the trade with my limit order, and I already did my take profit and stop loss. So I would say let's take a look on this trade, and then I'll see you back later, guys. So guys, we are now here already in a big profit, and you see the trade is going very well. And what I see here in the chart is that we are building a descending triangle pattern here, and this is well known for breakout. And why I tell you this is because we break out here to the down moving, and this is why I want to put my take profit a bit lower here on this level and put my stop loss way much lower also, so that if the chart is crossing our stop loss, we are already here in big profit. So I would say let's go on with the trade and see you back later, guys. As I told you guys, we have the breakout here to the downwards. What I do now here is again put my take profit down here and put my stop loss much lower. So let's go on with the trade and see you guys. Crazy, guys, welcome to Free Fall Tower 2023. We hit our take profit here, and all in all we are here like now close to $2,000 of profit all in all with only 2 trades, what is very, very amazing. Let's switch back here on TradingView. So guys, back here on TradingView, I want to explain you how we place this trade, because if you take a look here, we build like a perfectly descending triangle pattern here, and this is why I thought that we were smashing down here. So if we take a look for this here, you see that we break out downwards. You already see that we hit, or was trying to cross the ground 2 or 3 times. This was a very strong bearish signal here. This is why we entered here on the 26,000 level already in our short trade. All in all, we have a lot of signals here for our short trade, and this is how we did it. So it worked perfectly. Yeah guys, all in all, I think this was like the best live trading here on this channel. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or further more points, let me know in the comments, and I would say goodbye.